In this video, we'll see word problem based on linear equations in two variables. The question is, sum of the present ages of Manish and Savita is 31. Manish's age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Find their present ages. We are asked to find present ages of Manish and Savita. Let us consider the present age of Manish be x years and age of Savita be y years. According to the first condition in the problem. So first condition in the problem is sum of present ages. Sum, that is addition. Addition of age of Manish and Savita is 31. So therefore, according to the first condition, we can note, therefore Manish's age plus Savita's age is equal to 31. This is equation 1. Now for second condition, let us read the problem further. Manish's age 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, the Manish's age was 3 years ago. Manish's age. So from present age, which we have considered x, we have to subtract 3 because we are calculating the age 3 years ago. Ago, that is before. So from present age, we are subtracting 3. So Manish's age 3 years ago was x minus 3. And Savita's age, from present age of Savita, which we have considered y, we have to subtract 3. This is Savita's age 3 years before. Now according to the second condition given in the problem. So according to second condition, let us read the problem again for second condition. Manish's age 3 years ago. So that is x minus 3, which is Manish's age 3 years ago. This age of Manish 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. 4 times, that is 4 into Savita's age 3 years ago, that is y minus 3. So 3 years ago Manish's age was 4 times Savita's age. Let us solve this further. Therefore x minus 3 is equal to 4 will be multiplied with each term in the bracket. 4 into y is 4y. 4 into 3 is 12. Let us take variables x and y at one side and constant terms on other side. So x will remain here. 4 will be transferred to other side of equal to. It will become minus 4y. Minus 12 at its place. Minus 3 will be transferred to other side. It will become plus 3. So therefore x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 plus 3, that is minus 9. This is equation 2. From first condition we got the equation x plus y equal to 31. From second condition we got equation x minus 4y equal to minus 9. Now to solve these equations, let us write both the equations one below the other. So our first equation is x plus y equal to 31. So this is equation 1. And let us write second equation below it. That is x minus 4y is equal to minus 9. Equation 2. Coefficient of x are same. Both the variables have same sign. When the signs are same, we perform the subtraction step. So for subtraction, we change the signs. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. X minus x gets cancelled. Y plus 4y gives you 5y. 31 plus 9 is equal to 40. So therefore y is 40 by 5. Therefore value of y is 8. We have got one unknown variable y. To find value of another unknown variable, let us substitute. Substituting y equal to 8 in equation. So any of the two equations, 1 or 2, we can substitute the value of y. So we put y equal to 8 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y is 31. So therefore x plus 8 equal to 31. Therefore x is equal to 8 will be transferred on other side of equal to, its sign will change. Therefore x is equal to 23. We have got values of both the unknown variables x and y. So let us write the final answer line. Therefore the present age of Manish is 23 years and the present age of Savita is 8 years.